I know it has been a minute. Y'all, even my hair color has changed, so I know it's been a minute. But welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome as always, and if you're returning, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. So, if y'all can see by the background, it's a little bit different. It's not really my normal where I usually film, or I should say that's because this is my official first, well, not really first apartment, whatever, but this is my unfurnished apartment tour. I am so excited, y'all. Like, it's been a long time coming, and I'm just ready for this new journey, this new chapter in my life. So I was like, why not bring it on my channel? So that's what this video is all about. And if you're interested, I'm trying to make sure I feel like I'm kind of blurry. So if you're interested in seeing exactly how everything looks, just make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so here is my front door. Walking in. Whenever I first toured the place, the apartment, the kitchen that I toured was to your right. Let me lock the door. But my kitchen is to your left. I already got a rug out. So cute. And this is what it looks like. I love the fact that it's open space and it has a really nice big long countertop. For me, this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. And I love the little lights. They are black, so which is a vibe to me. I love black. And obviously y'all can see that I have a few stuff here, and as you can see, it has a lot of counter space. I'm planning on doing minimum. I don't like a lot of things on my counter space, so I'm gonna just leave, you know, it's not gonna be full or whatever, but I do have cabinets, a lot of cabinet space. I already got my L-glutamine up in there. I don't have a pantry, so I'm gonna have to utilize this part as more of my pantry area. Some right there. Storage, even though it doesn't have a pantry. So this is my stove. I've never cooked. Well, I took that back. I did have an electric stove before, but it's been a while and I prefer a gas, but we're gonna make it do what it do. So that's that, and a nice microwave. So nice. I love the fact that everything is brand new. And we have storage. We have storage here, here, down here, of course, because yeah, here. Same thing over here. The drawers are all open except for right here, I believe so. So those are open. And then my sink. Y'all, I got this little sponge holder from Home Goods, but it keeps falling. And so I'm like, I don't know about that. I really don't like that. But yeah, that's what that is from Home Goods. And once I get all my cleaning supplies, I am going to wipe everything down and clean it properly. It does come with a, what do you call this damn thing? Oh, a dishwasher. And I haven't had a dishwasher in many years, but yeah, it comes with that. And then once you walk in the door to your right is a little storage. I have a box right there. So since I am limited with storage, I am gonna put some stuff here. So yeah. Okay, and then as we step into the living room, y'all, the lighting is bomb. A lot of things sold me on this apartment, but the lighting is very key. If you know, you know. You already know. Lighting is key. So this is what the area looks like. Open space. I absolutely love it, and I've already measured out. I kind of want to put a couch right here, and so let's see. how that goes. And this is the door to the patio. This is the patio. I love that I have such good lighting coming in. Okay, so we're gonna make our way into the bedroom. See y'all see that lighting? Y'all see the lighting, okay? So this is the bedroom. It's not that big, but it'll do for me. So yeah, I plan on trying to put my, I don't know where I'm gonna put my bed. I kind of feel like it needs to be right here, right over here, or maybe right over there. I don't know yet. It won't be against this way, no. But yeah. So if you're looking at this angle, it kind of looks big, but yeah, it's a nice size just for me. And so you see the door right there. So whenever I do have guests over, instead of them coming through my bedroom to go to the bathroom, I have a door that goes to the bathroom. So that's what this is. Okay, now making our way into the bathroom. Turn on the lights. So this is the bathroom. Nice and open, spacious. What I love. I love the white and the, what is this, like a light, super light brown grayish tone or whatever. I kind of want to change those lightings out to be more clear instead of like yellow, but we'll see. That is the, of course, toilet and bathtub and everything. And I kind of want to do black and white in here, but we'll see. And up against the wall. Okay, and then another factor that sold me on this is that it came with the washer and dryer in unit. The one that I looked at had the same washer and dryer, so this is kind of different. So, but overall, I'm still thankful. So this is, of course, washer and dryer, and we'll make our way into the closet. So this is, of course, it's like a little hallway or whatever you want to call it. But this is my closet, and I can still close the door, which I love. If I have guests over or whatever, they won't be in, you know, my closet. But here is my closet. Nice open walk-in closet. I love the fact that it is a walk-in closet, and it does have, you know, shelves already built in, not shelves, rod, I don't know what you want to call it, and stuff built in. And I got some boxes. I got a lot of clothes. I didn't realize I had a lot of clothes. It's just like a few, and I have many more to go. But yeah, so I can't wait to decorate in here and just make it such a homey feel. But yeah, so that is my closet. I'm excited to be in here and have my own space again or whatnot, and get ready for the content. We're gonna have a couple of moving vlogs, kind of bring you along, see all what I get, how I actually decorated and everything like that. So I'm excited for that. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This apartment was made for me. I'm so totally blessed. Glad that I'm the first one who is moving into this apartment. It's small, but it's mine, and I'm so thankful to be where I'm at. But anyway, be on the lookout for moving vlog, moving content, decorating content, and everything like that. Thank you guys again for tuning into my video today of my apartment tour. Don't forget to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And until next time, bye guys.